Hello and hi guys, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. In this video, I'll show you how you can lock a section in Divi Builder. Let's see here, I have locked these sections and now I am unable to edit them. Now here I have just locked this row and I can edit this section. Now how you can lock them? First, I will add a new section. Let's see, I will click on this plus button. Now select a regular section, select a single row and add text block here. I will add a text module. Now just leave them. Here you can see I can edit these things, but I want to lock it up. For this, first you hover over section, go to these three dots and here you can see the lock section. When you click on lock, now you can see there is no settings appear. The other way to lock this section is go to another section. Let's say I will open this, go to these three dots and open layer. Now here you can see I have all the sections that I have added in my blog. Now when you click on this lock icon, you can see it was unlocked. When you click on these three dots, you can see the settings. Click on lock and it will lock again. Now I will lock all the sections like this, and when you click on these locks, it will unlock. That's the simple trick in Divi Builder, which will help you in creating a very large blog. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.